Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're reviewing the REDTIGER 4K dash cam front and rear, F7N Touch, a feature-packed dash cam designed to keep you safe on the road while capturing crystal clear footage. Buy on Amazon using the link in the description. Let's dive in. The REDTIGER F7N Touch is a dual-channel 4K dash cam that records both front and rear simultaneously, ensuring you never miss a detail. The STARVIS 2 sensor ensures exceptional low-light and night vision performance, making it perfect for night driving or poorly lit streets. The 3.18-inch touchscreen provides easy navigation, settings adjustment, and instant playback. You can also control the camera hands-free using voice commands, making it safer while driving. This dash cam comes with a 128GB memory card included, giving you plenty of storage for high-resolution video without worrying about running out of space. Connectivity is modern and fast thanks to 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to transfer footage quickly to your smartphone for editing or sharing. The built-in GPS tracks your route, speed, and location, giving you a detailed record for insurance purposes or personal reference. Other essential features include emergency lock, which protects footage in case of accidents, and parking mode, which automatically starts recording if motion or impact is detected while parked. These features make it an excellent choice for security-conscious drivers or those who want a reliable record of every journey. Performance highlights: 4K front and rear recording, ultra-clear video for both ends of your vehicle, STARVIS 2 sensor, exceptional low-light and night vision performance. 3.18-inch touchscreen, easy-to-use interface and instant playback. Voice control, hands-free operation for safer driving. 128GB memory card included, plenty of storage for continuous recording. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, fast transfer and detailed location tracking. Emergency lock and parking mode, protects crucial footage automatically. The REDTIGER F7N Touch dash cam is perfect for anyone looking for a high-quality, reliable, and feature-rich dash cam. Whether you're commuting, going on road trips, or just want added security, this dash cam covers all bases with 4K video clarity, night vision, and smart features. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the Amazon link in the description to get your REDTIGER 4K dash cam F7N Touch today. Drive safe and stay recorded.